Question 3. Make sketches of animal and plant cells. Also state 3 differences between them. Let us start with animal cell. Outer boundary is plasma membrane. Then draw nucleus in the center. Nucleus contains chromosomes which are thread-like structures. Genes are present on chromosome. They are responsible for transferring characters from parents to their offspring. Then draw mitochondria. Mitochondria provide energy for all the activities of the cell, hence it is called powerhouse of the cell. Golgi. Endoplasmic rectum. Lysosome. Plant cell can be drawn as cell wall, plasmamembrane, vacuole. Vacuoles are very large in plant cells, but are very small in animal cells, but it may be absent in most of the animal cells. Then draw nucleus in the periphery. In animal cells, nucleus lies in the center of the cell, whereas in plant cells the nucleus may be on the periphery, near the edge of the cell. Next is chloroplast. Chloroplasts are the green-colored organelles present in plant. Photosynthesis takes place in chloroplasts. Endoplasmic rectum. It usually has ribosomes attached and is involved in protein and lipid synthesis. The main differences between plant cells and animal cells are given below. Animal cell. 1. An animal cell does not have a cell wall around it. 2. An animal cell does not have chloroplasts or other plastids. 3. An animal cell has usually no vacuole. Only some animal cells have small vacuoles. Plant cell. 1. A plant cell has a cell wall around it. 2. A photosynthetic plant cell has chloroplasts in it. Other plant cells have different plastids in them. 3. A plant cell has a large vacuole in it.